Hello ClickDesigns affiliates, Diane here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and grab your affiliate links from ClickBank. Before we get started, make sure that you have an active ClickBank affiliate account. Once you have an active ClickBank affiliate account, log into that and then click on this link right here on top called Marketplace. After clicking Marketplace, you will see this window right here. All you need to do is search for ClickDesigns. Then right after that, once you see the ClickDesigns listing, click on Promote. In this window, you can create a hop link. You will see your nickname account. Then you also have the option to enter a tracking ID. Then you can choose which offer to promote. The default offer is the front-end offer or ClickDesigns commercial. You can also choose to promote the 14-day free trial or ClickDesigns suite. For this example, I will use the default offer, so I will click on Create Hop Link. Now I have my hop link that has been generated right here. All I need to do is click Copy. After copying the hop link, you can now use it and paste this link on your emails, blog posts, YouTube video descriptions, ad campaigns, and more. This ClickBank hop link is also your affiliate link, which you can use to earn commissions from ClickDesigns. Don't forget to check out all our done-for-you affiliate tools and use them for your promotion. That's how easy it is to get started as a ClickDesigns affiliate.